Hello Knife and EDC friends. Today we want to talk about the topic EDC. What do I really carry every day? Hello Knife and EDC friends. Today we want to talk about the topic EDC. What do I really carry every day? For me, the most important thing to get through the day is my cell phone. I use it to stay in contact for work and with friends. I need my wallet every day and my watch. For me, that are the three things that are most important for me. In addition, I always carry a lighter, mostly a Zippo. Or an old James Bond focus. James Bond lighter. In addition, of course, my keys, my headphones, and my hair ties. Besides that, I often have a Leatherman with me, with a pouch. I carry the Leatherman Super Tool 300. It's great for me because in Germany we can only have a Leatherman that has the blades inside and not outside. So the Leatherman 300 is great. Besides that, I carry a flashlight on the pouch and of course a pencil. And always my trusty hair ties. When I'm not carrying the Leatherman, I carry a knife. Usually a two-handed opening knife like the Otter Mercator Solingen or an old Hardkopf Solingen. Besides that, sometimes my top Sag Race, a friction folder I like very much. Has great carrying options this way or scout carry. When I go out in the woods, sometimes I have my little Victorinox Bundeswehrmesser. It's called German Army knife. It's great because it has a little saw with it. It's protected like a little metal piece. It's great. When I'm cutting boxes, I normally use my trusty beer claw. It's great for cutting and slicing up boxes and everything. When I carry a fixed blade, I usually carry the small Tops or my Tops Street Scalpel. Nowadays, of course, there is also safe protection and protection for others, which I always wear a mask when I go outside. And I also wear a cap mostly with patches. It's a collection area for me too. Yeah, these are the things I have with me as an EDC. I would be interested in what have you as a daily EDC. Please write it down in the comments, and if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, stay sharp.